How to turn off friend requests notifications on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off friend requests notifications on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it just go down and you will find settings here, and then click this one, notifications, and here you will find notify me when I receive a friend request. Just click on it and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.